Hey everyone, my name is Jethro and I believe that everyone can draw. To draw with me today, you'll need a pen. I like to use this nice chunky felt pen, but you can use whatever kind of pen you like. You'll also need some spots. Now, you can draw or paint these yourself with watercolour or pencil or crayon, or if you want to download this and print it off, there's a link in the description below. Today, I'm especially excited because we're going to draw big, scary, fire-breathing dragons. I love dragons, they're so fun. A bit like dinosaurs, which are also great, but with wings, and they breathe fire. This is our spot that we're going to draw on today for our dragon. Now the first thing is, do dragons have eyes? Yes, I think they do. Let's put one eye there and another eye there. Next up, do dragons have noses? Well, yes, but they don't quite look like the nose that you and I have. It's more like the nose of maybe a dinosaur. Two little nostrils just up there. Great, we're coming along nicely. Next up, mouths. Does our dragon have a mouth? Yes, he does. I'm going to give him a big happy smiley mouth, so I'll put a little smile there, and then the bottom of his mouth there. Now he's got a nice big mouth to say a friendly hello to all his dragon friends, or maybe gobble everyone up. If he is going to be a fearsome dragon, he's going to need some teeth. One little tooth there, another tooth, and another one, and another one. Hey, it's looking pretty good. Now what else makes a dragon a dragon? Well, dragons might have horns, so let's give him a little horn there, and another one out that side as well. And then I'm just going to squeal all over it, make it thicker, like that. It's pretty fun. Now our dragon needs a body, so let's give him a body there, and then a tail as well. There's the back of our tail, and then the bottom. Looking pretty good. Now our dragon needs legs, so he can do lots of stomping. Big foot. There's another big foot there, and then some arms with little claws at the end. Hey, that's looking pretty good. What about wings? Now we could do wings with the pen, but I like crayons. So let's get the crayons out. Ow! Ideal. Now, I have left some crayon marks all over my dragon, but I think that just adds to the fun. Why don't we take this nice colour here. What is this? Red. And we'll put some nice big wings on our dragon. It's the front wing, and that's the other wing behind. Little fluffy feathery bits coming down. And then maybe we'll take this one, which is scarlet. Looks, well, that's very similar to the red. How about this one? Yellow orange. There's nothing special about these colours, they're just the colours that I kind of like and I can see around. This one looks a bit yellow. Oh, it's yellow. Yeah, it kind of makes it look like his wings are on fire, which is fun. I like that a lot. Now maybe our dragon has stripes on his belly. One stripe, another, and another, and another, and then under his tail as well. And then we can colour those in. Maybe our dragon is gonna be, let's use the yellow. There we go. And then what is the body of our dragon gonna look like? Maybe I will use this, yellow orange. Put some pretty good. Maybe I'll use red to do some shading. Yeah, that's quite fun. I like that a lot. Now, we can go one step further, and maybe I'll just make his legs a bit thicker. The last step is to cut him out. Now, if you're not an adult, you might need some help with these, or if you are an adult, you might still need some help. I'm just going to be really careful, leave loads of space, cut around him. There we go, like that. And now we can take a blank sheet of paper and maybe get some of these crayons out the way. Who put these here? Maybe we can add a cool background. So maybe we need I think we need some grass first of all. There you go, there's some grass. And maybe there is a big old magical tree. I've got a little stumpy bit of crayon here. I'm just going to take that off because we don't need that. It was probably brown colour, magical tree colour. I'm just going to, just sideways, just make a big old tree trunk. Maybe there's a branch there like that, and maybe there's another one like that, and another one that comes round like so. There. And then we can use this. Looks quite cool and dark. Let's shade it. Oh, it's purple. That's all right. Let's go back to the brown. Actually, yeah, let's use the purple. Let's add in some funny little details on the tree. Our tree needs some leaves. Let's take out green again, and we're just going to put lots of little... This is one of these trees just with lots of little leaves, but when you're out and about on walks you can have a look and you'll see all the different kinds of trees, because some trees have like long drooping branches with all kinds of leaves and they're good for hiding behind. Some trees are just very tall and straight, and some look a bit like this magical tree with all kinds of leaves as well. And then maybe add in some dark leaves as well. And add some red-orange colour. And there's somewhere for our dragon to be. I think it needs a friend. So let's take this one here. This spot, I've already added some eyes. Let's add some little nose. Big happy smiley mouth, little teeth. Maybe this will be a dragon who's just got, maybe his horns stick up like that. Maybe this dragon's got ears as well. There's one ear. There's another ear up the other side. And he's just got a short stubby tail. Legs. An arm, but he has the most wonderful big old purple wings. That actually turned yellow at the bottom. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's make his body purple as well. Played a great game once about a purple dragon. It's my favourite. And then we can cut him out as well. Once again, be careful with the old scissors. we got ourselves 2 friendly dragons and a cool backdrop. If that's not fun, I don't know what is. Boop, 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 boop. Maybe we need some fire as well. Let's add some fire on this little scrap. Just gonna add a little bit of fire. There's that bit, and then fire gets hotter in the middle, so let's put some yellow. And then let's chop this bit out as well. Hey. Now our dragons can breathe fire. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I think we did some amazing things. I'd love to see what you've drawn. You can send them to me by email, hello@jethrowilson.com, or at Instagram @JethroWilson. Look out, because there's going to be another drawing video this time next week. What would you like to learn to draw? Let me know in the comments or on Instagram, and we'll make a video about it.